All right, guys, this is I want to talk to you today about blenders. Now, there's been a lot of talk about a lot of the, big modern name brands, Vitamix, blah blah blah, Ninja, whatever. There's nothing like a retro blender because it makes you feel connected to something. Let's face it, we go into the technological age and basically we're going into oblivion and nothingness. This Smeg reminds us of who we used to be or who we could have been. And when you plug this in and you see it right here, it's just very cool, very easy to use. It starts, it stops. So it's got that modern technology, but it also has that classic retro Smeg vibe, which feels honestly way more sturdy, way more substantial than those Vitamixes out there. And it's a much more affordable option. So I highly recommend you add this to your blender routine.